Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I bring you a very useful video for all owners of an HP ProDesk 600G1. In this video, we will learn together how to enhance the performance of our computer by upgrading the RAM. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is uncover your HP ProDesk 600G1. We flip the computer over and locate the screw at the back that secures the cover. Careful, loosen the screw and gently remove the cover to access the computer's interior. Once inside, we can appreciate the compact design of this machine. Our goal is to access the RAM, but first, we need to remove the hard drive. Disconnect the data bus from the hard drive. Sometimes this step may require a bit of patience as the connectors can be snug. To remove the hard drive, pull the lever from one side and careful push the hard drive to take it out. Now we have access to the RAM. We can see the slots where the RAM modules are installed. Careful, remove the old RAM modules to make way for the new ones. This is as simple as releasing the securing tabs on the side of the module and gently lifting it. It's upgrade time. Here I have the new RAM modules that I will install in my ProDesk 600G1. Simply align the golden connectors of the RAM with the slots on the motherboard and press firmly until they snap into place. Make sure the securing tabs close automatically, and voila! We have successfully completed the RAM upgrade in our HP ProDesk 600G1. It's been a straightforward process that can make a significant difference in our computer's performance. That's all for today, folks. I hope this video has been helpful and guided you through the RAM upgrade process. If you liked the content, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.